just found a brand new AI tool that generates hyper-realistic avatars in minutes. And these avatars have such real emotions that you won't even believe that these aren't real people. On top of that, this tool that I'm gonna share with you just launched a brand new model called Avatar X to make them even better and even more lifelike. For example, here's an avatar that I just created.
Once you discover this new tool, your AI avatars will never be the same. Get ready for a whole new level of creativity and customization.
By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this tool is, all the different ways that you can use it, and I'm gonna share with you a few different use cases you could start to use this for in order to cash in on this AI gold rush. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Jog AI, because they just launched their brand new Avatar X, which is absolutely insane. If you click into this now, look at how cool this is. You could upload a photo, or you could choose from other avatars that you wanted to choose from, and you can actually control what kind of emotion that avatar has. You could do something neutral, angry, confident, disgusted, happy, nervous, sad, surprised, even excited, or if you want to, you can actually create a custom emotion. You literally just name the emotion, and then you put an emotion prompt in here, and it will actually develop that custom emotion for the avatar. And again, you could choose between a ton of different avatars that they have, or upload a photo if you already created one. And guess what you could do? You could AI generate somebody and then turn them into an avatar that fits perfectly the type of content that you want to create or the type of persona that you want to have online. In addition to that, we can come over here and they have a ton of really cool tools here. We could come over here and select through a bunch of different voices. We could see all the different providers, the genders, the language, the accent, the age, and even different use cases. And if you wanted to, you could come over here and favorite these so that it's really easy to just be able to find whichever ones you actually favorited. Or if you want to, you can create a new voice or integrate a third-party voice. For example, if you use something like 11 Labs, and then here, you can actually write out the script. You could randomize the script. You could add in pauses if you wanted to, which again, just gives you more customization here. So let's actually come over here, and this is what we're going to show off. We are going to grab Santa Claus. I'm just going to keep refreshing until he pops back up right here, and I'm going to show you how cool this actually is. So we're going to grab Santa Claus right here. We could see what he looks like. We could see the background that he's in, and we are going to make him, I'm going to do a custom emotion. I'm going to put jolly. I'm going to put jolly. They should be overly joyous and happy, and then we're actually going to add this emotion in. We could see this right here. I am then going to choose this emotion, and I'm going to have this actually create a script for me. So we could come over here and enter just a simple content, topics, keywords, something like that. And I'm going to say Santa Claus telling someone that the elves are working hard and he's excited to see them. We're going to come over here, customize this to be somebody. We're going to click on generate right here. What this is then going to do is AI generate the script, which is incredibly useful. We could come in here and edit it. We could regenerate it. But personally, I like this right here. Now we need to choose a voice. So we're going to come over here and we're going to try to choose a voice that is going to be good. I'm going to type in Santa just to see if anything comes up, but I'm going to assume more likely than not that nothing is going to come. Oh, look at that. We actually do have Santa Claus. So let's actually see if this sounds like him. Perfect. That is literally exactly what I wanted. So we're going to click on this right here. We're going to click confirm, and then we're going to have this go through, and we're going to have this actually build this out. Now, one of the reasons that I wanted to do Santa Claus for this, because you're probably thinking, Rob, why on earth would you want to do this, is because Christmas is coming up. And guess what? AI generated Santa, I think, is going to be two things. One, huge influencer accounts on social media, and secondly, a massive business opportunity if you were able to create an AI generated Santa. Now, on top of just building them out to have these really strong emotions and really crazy features and lifelike emotions like that, you can also get these avatars to sing. Now, in order to make a singing avatar, you just need to click into Avatar X, and then you're going to want to refresh this a few times until you see one of these that is going to be ideal for singing. For example, look at this right here. This is ideal. Why is it ideal? Because obviously he's in front of a microphone, and then we could see that he is a singer. So if you come over here, you will now see upload audio, where you can upload singing audio. And then you just choose any of the samples from here, which will then go through a bunch of different songs, or you could upload your own singing audio, and then boom, you'll be able to create your singing avatar. Now here's what this actually looks like and sounds like now that it's done.
Every scar became my brand. No more running from the
And that's pretty incredible because you can see the lip line up, the way that he moves subtly. It's pretty amazing how well they've pulled off a singing avatar. In fact, I haven't seen any other AI avatar generator that's been able to do this. If we come back over to home, actually, I'm going to open up a new window so that this right here continues to actually build out this avatar. If we open up a new window right here, I wanted to show you the other things that you're able to do with this tool because it's pretty crazy. So we could do talking photo, we could do an avatar video, we could do avatar VFX. Basically, you can add in VFX into the avatar, and you could even add in attitude. You could do video podcasts. You could do those talking baby podcasts. People are doing that on Jog AI. You can do video translations, batch creation, product avatar, product video shoots. You could do product photo shoots, URL to video. For example, if you have an asset or something like that and you want to turn that into an ad, you'd be able to do that here. They also have a ton of other different tools. For example, face swap, create your own avatar, video to text, image to video, and even a video extender if you wanted to extend the video. And if you're a brand, you could add in your brand kit. You can see all the different media that you uploaded here. And again, if you want to, with the voices, you can actually integrate this to a third party or be able to go through all these voices right here. And if we come under avatars, you are going to see all the different avatars you'll be able to choose from, and you could choose them for so many different situations. Another thing is if we come over here to templates, check this out. They have so many different use cases. In fact, I've seen so many of these across social media and had no idea. You could use these for memes. You could use these for green screens like this. And if we come up here, you could see they have UGC videos, they have promo videos, long videos, and you can use memes, social ads, or even things for personalized outreach if you're a brand that wants to make more personalized videos for people. Just like this went through and actually generated an AI Santa for us, and we can go through and see exactly what this looks like and check it out.
Oh, the elves have been working extra hard this year, and I must say, their dedication never ceases to amaze me.
Now that's amazing. It went through and created the Santa, sounds like Santa, looks like Santa, he's moving around, he's got emotion, he seems incredibly jolly, and again, this is nuts that AI was able to generate this without me really doing any work. Now before we get into a few of those crazy use cases that you could use this tool for today, in order to cash in on this AI gold rush, I wanted to remind you that if you wanted to try Avatar X for yourself, you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Jog AI today. Now the first use case I want to highlight here is how you can use this to scale your content production. For example, if we look at somebody like Sabrina right here, what you're going to notice if you go through her page is anytime she's wearing a beanie here, these are actually AI generated videos. So these ones where she isn't wearing a beanie aren't AI generated, but the ones that are with her with a beanie, these are AI generated videos. And guess what? People can't even tell the difference. And she's getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views from these. Now, if you wanted to do that and turn yourself into an avatar, you're literally just going to click on avatars right here. You're going to see custom avatar. You're going to click on create custom avatar. And then you could see that you can make your AI twin that can be ready in minutes. So with just 10 seconds of video, your avatar starts talking for you. So essentially what you have to do is you have to film through some footage that you then upload over here, or you can record this with your webcam right here, and then you give consent, you submit, and this will actually go ahead and create your custom avatar for you. Now here's what this avatar actually look like once it's done. We can see that we can play it right here. It literally looks exactly like me. It moves just like me, which is pretty awesome, and everything looks hyper realistic. Now, it did generate a voice too. I don't think the voice sounds like me, which is why I have this on mute right here, but what you can do to actually improve this is just come over here into my voices and then click on integrate third party, and you'll be able to paste your 11 Labs API key here so that you can make this sound exactly like you. If you don't know how to do that, it's incredibly simple. You literally just log into 11 Labs, come over here to developers, click on API keys right here. You're then going to copy that key and then come back over here, paste it in here, and then you'll be able to use your voice clone from 11 Labs. In addition to that, if we come over and search for something like AI Santa, you are going to see AI Santa has been made a bunch of different times, and guess what? This is going to happen again this Christmas season. I guarantee it, and it's going to do really well. Or if we look at a page like this, over 238,000 followers, literally all just AI generated content that you can generate and then be able to monetize social media with. And again, you could use this to build an influencer. You could use this to replace some of your content, or you could use this to promote a brand, product, an affiliate offer by building up these AI avatars. That was just the first use case. Use case number 2 is going to be using their AI ad maker, because you can do this to create product photo shoots, to turn products into video shoots. You could create product avatars. You could batch create, so you're making multiple videos, or you could turn a URL directly into a video. And if you've been on social media, I'm sure you've seen a bunch of AI generated avatars and AI generated videos in order to promote apps, in order to promote clothing, in order to promote new products, new services. You could even AI generate a bunch of reviews for something if you are trying to promote something. And again, you're going to see this all over social media. Not only can you do this for yourself, but you could begin to offer this as a service for businesses. It makes it incredibly easy for you to actually make the videos, send it to the brand and say, hey, I can post all these on social media for you, instead of you having to convince the brand, hey, I can make good videos for you. Now, here's how we could actually do this. If we click on URL to video right here, and then we come over to a product that we want to be able to actually turn into a video, we're going to grab the link up here. We're going to come back over into Jog AI. We're going to paste this right here, click on create video, and then in just a few seconds, this analyzes everything and spins up exactly how to make a video for it, gives a bunch of video media. We could choose how long the video will be, 15 seconds. I'm going to keep it 9:16. We could choose the avatar settings right here, and then we could set the language, click on next, and then this is going to go through and actually generate a smart script for us. Now we can choose from the script, or we could actually use our own script if we wanted to. Now, we have a creative and innovative script. We have a soft selling script, expert advice, emotional appeal. I'm going to go with emotional appeal, and then I'm going to click on next again. And now we can see that this is going through, this is generating the video. We'll then be able to add any product media and be able to actually finalize the video. So now we can see that we have this right here. In fact, this is how so many people are making these green screen videos like this, where they have the product in the background and an AI avatar talking about it. Okay, so here's an example of what this looks like when it's actually done.
Can't get enough of this new baseball jersey. It's for Baseball Lifestyle's anniversary collection, and there aren't many left. My kids just can't.
So that's pretty awesome. And essentially what you could do is you could spin up dozens of these, if not hundreds of these, and then post them all over social media, all with different avatars promoting whatever product you're trying to promote. And then use case number 3 is going to be using this to scale content creation and education. For example, you can now turn anything into a podcast, or just make an avatar video right here where you can literally choose avatars, you can create a script, and now you can literally just upload this entire script to this, and guess what? This will actually go off and make videos. And we can see that this is a 15-minute max right here, so you can make a bunch of different tutorial videos. Or maybe you want to make a course and sell the course. Guess what? Turn yourself into an avatar, upload the script here, and it will go through and actually create that, so you don't have to waste time filming the course, filming the training, filming the education. And again, it's not only for courses. You could do this for onboarding. You could do this for different processes that you might be doing at work. You can now build out all these trainings by simply writing a script, uploading it in here, creating an avatar, choosing an avatar, and then grabbing the voice and generating it, and boom, you have scaled content creation that isn't taking up your time, where you have to sit in front of a camera or rent out a space in order to record things. Now, if you like this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that shows you how you can now connect ChatGPT to more than 500 apps that you use every single day. I'll see you over there.